right, this right here is our brine for our bacon and our picnic ham. It's 1 cup of salt and 1 cup of sugar per gallon of water. And that's not per gallon of water that we're dissolving in right here. That's per gallon of water that it takes to brine. This is very concentrated. This is enough right here for 4 gallons of water, because I'm thinking I'm going to have 2 bucketfuls of meat. So by the time the meat offsets the water, this 2 gallons of water per bucket should be about right to get the meat covered. So that's what this is. There's 4 cups of sugar, 4 cups of salt in here, and I'm just heating it up to dissolve it.
And we use raw sugar
and sea salt. That's why it's the brownish color like it is, because of the raw sugar. We use pink salt for all of our seasonings and eating every day, but it's twice the cost of sea salt, and the minerals will just soak to the bottom. The pink salt minerals just soak to the bottom anyway, so it doesn't really benefit anything to use pink salt for this. But I'm going to dissolve all this, and then I'm going to put ice in here to cool it down, because I don't want to put this warm or hot water in on my hams or my belly meat to cure. It's called wet curing. So I've got to cool it down before I put it in there. So we'll be packing it with ice and cold water, and then it'll soak for 5 to 7 days. We'll shake it once a day to make sure everything is getting covered well and marinating. But at the end of 7 days, we'll pull the hams out, and we're going to slow bake them. Well, I think we'll coat them in honey and slow bake them. And the belly meat we'll put on the grill, on the smoker, and grill it, or smoke it rather. And we did that last time, and it was delicious. It was as good a bacon as I've ever had. Certainly better than I've ever made before. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, just adding some more wood to my smoker here. It's not quite ready for the pork belly, so. And I am not a I don't really know anything about using a smoker.
Derek's not a smoker.
No.
In any sense of the word.
Right.
This smoker was a grill smoker combination that we acquired off of Craigslist for
$50.
$50 for the whole thing.
We bought it in Virginia. We used it there.
Hauled it down here.
We hauled it down here, and we used the char grill on it for a while, and then we got a really good deal on a gas grill on Black Friday, and somebody gave me a gift card from Home Depot, so we bought it. But now we're just using it for smoking. So it worked really good for smoking the last pork belly, so we're going to do these again, and I just need to get a good hot fire going here. It's not really going too good yet.
It's cold and windy out here.
Yeah, the wind is. There we go. That's helping. Opening that up is too restricted to option. Okay. All right, we got our smoker going. It's nice and hot, and now I'm going to put the pork belly on here, and so I just kind of. Oh, that's smoky. Oh man, makes my eyes water. Okay. Big old slabs of pork belly. Just got to make it all fit. Chickens will eat that. What, Jacob? Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah, that was a pickup.
Uh-huh. Okay. So there we go. We're gonna close it up now and let it do its thing. I'm gonna go rinse my hands off and then come back out here and check the temperature.
Your eyes are running.
Yeah, look at and my eyes are burning bad, and my nose is running from all the smoke.
Lovely. Oh, Jacob, you
what was that, bub? Oh, it's a piece of wood. Okay.
Here's up to temp. You want it to be around 300 or under. So it's looking good and smelling really good.
So here's our bacon. This little end right here was right over the fire, so it kind of got a little bit overcooked, but that's okay. We'll cut that off tomorrow, and like I said, this will go in the refrigerator overnight. It'll firm up tomorrow we'll cut it into smaller, more manageable pieces, and we will slice it
pieces.
into what?
Bacon-sized pieces.
Bacon-sized pieces, yeah. And then run it through the slicer, and then freeze it, and it'll be really, really good.
All right, we are slicing up our bacon today on our meat slicer. It's not very fancy, but it works good enough for now. So we're just about done. We've been cutting our bacon up into blocks or pieces about this size, and they're easy to slice with. We set our depth to my preferred slicing. I'm not sure what that was, but all right.